My gosh, ladies, who said you could not wear crochet braids with thin hair? Well, I am going to show you a new method using my custom frontal. Yes, my custom closure is going to give her a full look that's luxurious, seamless, and it doesn't take as much time as a traditional crochet braid hairstyle. Oh my gosh, look at the results. The results are absolutely amazing. It is flawless. No one will ever know that she had any thinning or any hair loss in the front. You must continue to watch to see how this beautiful style was accomplished. You are struggling or stressed out about your edges and your edges look like this, and you are looking for a good protective style, well, this is the video for you. Yes, my client here, she was worried about her edges, but these results, they shocked her. Yes, they shocked her completely, because as you can see, she does have some thinning around the front, around her edges, and at the top. So let's jump into this video. So as always, you ladies know I start off by hydrating and moisturizing all my clients' hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter stands for grandmother and granddaughters, as we produce this formula especially for those with hair loss, with thin hair, with thin edges, with short hair. Yes, it is infused with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, olive oil, just to name a few. Yes, it is packed with all the essential oils that are needed to help promote hair growth. So after hydrating and moisturizing her hair really well, not just her scalp but her hair as well, I go into my brushing method. Yes, I go in and I love on my client's hair, and I brush those edges, I brush the middle, I brush the ends, I brush the shaft of their hair, and I make sure that I am stimulating these hair follicles, because yes ladies, that's what we need to do, stimulate these hair follicles to promote hair growth. And as you can see, I am gently stroking her roots, the ends of her hair. I am going in the center, as you can see here. And for the length of the video, I just cut it short. But yes, I brushed her hair for a minimum of 6 minutes. Please have your clients to do this. I mean, your stylist to do this when they are doing your hair. Make sure they are going in and moisturizing, hydrating, and brushing your hair. Then I went into giving her a healthy braid pattern. Yes, ladies, we want to make sure that our hair is nice and healthy under these protective styles. We want to make sure that the braid pattern that we are doing is going to be healthy and promote hair growth. So as you can see here, I did some single braids in the front because I did not want to pull her edges straight back. Again, that is going to put too much tension, stress, and pulling on her edges. So I did these singles, and then I'm going to do this method. If you have not seen this method before, ladies, please try it. It is super essential for hair growth. It reduces any pulling, any tension, again, any stress on the edges. And what I did with these singles is I did the braids in the middle going from side to side, and I'm going to take these singles and I'm just going to crochet them underneath those braids. This is going to still give me a flat finish so that the style that we create is nice and flat. That's what we want. We do not want any bulky braids. We do not want any humps or any lumps. And that's what this braid pattern is going to give you. It's comfortable for the client. Is stress relief and low tension for her edges. And again, as you can see, I'm just taking that single braid and I'm just crocheting it lightly underneath that braid, and I'm loosening it so that it is not tight and not pulling. Oh my gosh, ladies, if you have not tried this method, please try it. Show it to your stylist so they can try it as well. And as you can see on the sides of her edges, I braided those braids going down. They are not braided back. So this is what you want to do to prevent any continuous hair loss, because we want to do what? Promote hair growth, not hair loss. So after creating her a beautiful, healthy braid pattern, I went in and installed a crochet net. Yes, ladies, for the majority of my clients, I always use a crochet net or crochet hat cap. Why? Because this helps protect your natural hair. And then I'm going in with what? My custom closure. Ladies, if you have not tried my custom closure, as you can see, it is just that simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. This prevents you from having to use any glue. Once this custom closure is installed, it will not slip, slide, shift, or anything throughout the duration of your style. And you do not need to use any glue, ladies. As you can see, this one is not braided, but all you have to do is slide it on, go in, cut that lace off, as you can see I'm doing here, and you are going to have a natural looking front. Yes, this closure is going to give her the natural look that she wants. She's going to be able to wear this in various styles, and it also comes pre-braided already. So as you can see here, her closure was not braided, so I am braiding them, and I'm going to be doing singles here. The closure comes in cornrows or singles. It is your preference and your option. So this one I braided in singles because she wants a very natural look in the front. Again, this is the hair that we're going to be using. Yes, it is some boho braids. They are 14 inches long. This is a color 1B27 613. Excuse me, 1B3027. So yes, it is a 3-color ombre on boho crochets, 14 inches. So